Good afternoon once more. So this is a YouTube video about doing YouTube videos. So we're thinking, what's the best way to search for ones that are good traffic? You might use Neil Patel's Uber Suggest or Keyword Planners, and we've done videos about that. But what a lot of people forget, if we can just delete all this. Just type in YouTube. Right. So just let's say it was in free traffic. So even when we type that in, it's got free traffic for affiliate marketing. And then if we even just, so there's kind of other stuff here. So as people search for free traffic, ClickBank. So you might even go, oh, ClickBank. So there's again ClickBank tutorial. So maybe you could do an idea I hadn't even thought of. I could actually go through that. So if you've got a ClickBank account and you know how it works, then you could log into it and show your sales or navigate um, the how it all works. And there's an idea I haven't even thought of. And then here's ClickBank affiliate marketing TikTok. I've never used TikTok, so you could do a video about TikTok. Here's Google Ads and how you use your ClickBank account doing Google Ads. How does ClickBank pay you? Never thought of that. You could answer that question in the video. So YouTube's quite a good search. It's okay going on the key planner and over the year or years, it tells you what people search per month, but YouTube's active, it's live, so you can, he's already done it, how to get paid with ClickBank. So that's that'll give you a good idea. So hope this helps you. And if you check our business on the inside, we use ClickBank and as a processing. It's for processing, but you'll see a wee bit more about our business and how it works. So hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.